Let's play 2 truths and a lie. 1, with SendFox, you will never have to think about newsletter content ever again. 2, with SendFox, you'll never have to think about your content for email automations ever again. 3, I used to date Leonardo DiCaprio. What's up, Sumoling? Okay, so I never dated Leo, but I'm Vanessa with AppSumo, the #1 digital marketplace for bloggers, solopreneurs, and small brands. Today we're talking SendFox, the email platform that will help you generate endless email content. Ready to upgrade? First, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss AppSumo's other incredible software deals. All right, let's go. We're starting strong with the Golden Taco, aka SendFox's most powerful and unique feature, Smart Campaigns. Now, you can always write out your emails manually and just use SendFox as a traditional autoresponder. Or you can use Smart Campaigns. Connect SendFox to your blog, website, or social media accounts, and it will automatically generate email content for you. It's that easy. You can even auto-schedule weekly newsletters from the content sources you connect to. And if you're a little too edgy on social media, just make sure you utilize auto-draft. SendFox does not have a reputation refresh feature yet, but it does have an incredible automation assistant feature, which will help you create welcome series, onboarding drips, and click trigger sequences in a couple of minutes, all based off your existing web, blog, and social content. So you're never going to scramble for email content ever again. You might stress out about having too much content though. But look, I'm not going to feel sorry for you because with SendFox's Smart Pages and Forms features, you can also easily create branded landing pages and custom forms to help you generate more email leads. And the best part? SendFox's GDPR compliance and reCAPTCHA features make sure that you're only getting high-quality subscribers. But this video barely scratches the surface of SendFox. I don't have time to get into referral campaigns, APIs, or SendFox's native CRM. But if you want to learn more about how SendFox will improve your email content generation, just click the link below now. SendFox's GDPR compliance and reCAPTCHA features make sure that you are only getting high-quality subscribers. One more time, one more time. Is that a song? One more time.